1998 Chrysler Cirrus XLI. I bought this car last January. Had a no start issue. It would start up, run, and die for about 20 minutes. You could drive down the highway and just all of a sudden die. So this summer I took all this all apart, intakes. These older cars do have aluminum intake sets. A lot of the new ones have plastic ones. But I did replace all the spark plugs and took this off, and there's 3 spark plugs in the back, and it was the distributor. So anybody that's thinking about finding an old car like this, and it is cold here in Missouri, it's 19 degrees, Prozac cup solid. But let's just try starting it up. This car had 119,000 miles on it when I bought it. I got 124,000 now. Little car starts right up. I don't suppose this is going to be the YouTube video that breaks the bank or anything, but I'm 63 and I'm passing this along. Anybody that has one of these, it's usually the distributor.